Hi friends, and welcome to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making.
Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. In today's video, we are going to choose the winner to our May Handmade Projects giveaway. That also includes the paper collection that I have used in these projects. And let me give you a quick rundown of what the winner will receive. The winner is going to receive this mini album journal hybrid that I created using Whispers paper collection. The winner is also going to receive this beautiful shabby chic tag mini album in a box that I also created with our winner Whispers paper collection. And let's see, you also get your very own copy of Whiskers. It is an 8.5 by 8.5 paper pack, I should say, printed on 65 good quality cardstock that is lignin and acid free. In the Whispers by Decorate Your Life, you get 14 designs, single-sided, and 28 sheets. Also, what you're going to get is this thank you card that I made the other day. And it is an easel card that I made with dies from my stash. This is what the back looks like. It is very decorative. And I just love the way that this came out. And with a different paper collection, I do believe it is for my Mother's Day paper collection, I created just a simple bookmark, something that you could perhaps use with your Whispers mini album. See, with the bookmark, it looks so super cute, I think. And I made this other project with a different paper collection. I do believe I made this with, it was either Mother's Day, or no wait, I think I made it with Claudette. I use a die, my die set from Tonic Studios, Spellbinders, Heartfelt Creations, and of course my Dainty Dreams Butterflies from Sandy Nagel, available at Craft Stash. And this was for a collab that I made, that I was in last month. I do believe it was last month or the month before last, in which I had to create my very own tassel. So this is it, and this is more of a serves as a decorative here, let me show you like this. It is very decorative, and you could put it on your desk, you could put it on your boudoir, and just basically you can add things to it if you wish. But I thought it was really cute, and I hope that the winner appreciates this. So there were a total of, I've already drawn the entries, wrote the entries. There were a total of 28 entries. Let me show you the names of all of those who entered in this month's giveaway. There you go. And then I'm going to turn the camera over. Well, not really turn the camera over, but show you my desktop, in which you will see the number that I choose. You know, that's going to be the winner. And of course, I'm going to check and see whether they are subscribed, they're a visible subscriber to my channel, and so forth. So good luck, everybody. And remember, come back and keep checking my videos, because my plan is to do a giveaway each and every single month that includes not only the paper collection of the month, but the projects as well. Okay, so yeah, thank you so very much for watching, and I can't wait to show you my collection for June. So make sure that you click on that bell notification button so that you can see what you can win in June.